Hey everyone, welcome back to Restoration Vala. Today we have an exciting video for all you firearm enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking a deep look at the Zigana Px9, a pistol that has been gaining attention for its performance and design. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming content. Now let's get started. The Zigana Px9 is a semi-auto pistol designed for both personal defense and sport shooting. Manufactured by renowned Turkish company Titas, this firearm has generated quite a buzz in the shooting community. Let's start by explaining its key features. Coming towards the exterior and design, first thing first, the Zigana Px9 has a sleek and ergonomic design. The polymer frame feels solid in hand, and the textured grip provides a comfortable and secure hold. The overall build quality is impressive, showcasing Titas' commitment to craftsmanship. Now let's talk about specifications. The Zigana Px9 features a 4.46 inches barrel, making it a versatile choice for both concealed carry and range shooting. It operates on a short recoil lock brain system and has a trigger fire action. The gun comes with a standard 15 rounds magazine capacity, giving you plenty of rounds to work with. Since safety is always a top priority, the Zigana Px9 is equipped with multiple safety features including a takedown lever, side stop lever, and thumb safety. These features enhance the overall safety of the firearm and provides peace of mind for the user. In conclusion, the Zigana Px9 offers a reliable and enjoyable shooting experience. Its combination of design, performance, and safety features make it a compelling option for both beginners and experienced shooters. As always, make sure to follow your local laws and regulations when purchasing and using a firearm. And there you have it, our comprehensive review of the Zigana Px9. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more firearm reviews and restoration content. Until next time, stay safe and keep shooting responsibly. This is Zain from Restoration Vala, and have a great day.